Ag-Tech tip: over-excavating retaining walls. When building retaining walls, most times the area must be over-excavated to accommodate the building of the wall. The first step is to enter the retaining wall representing the finished surface of the wall. This is covered in a separate tutorial. To over-excavate the wall, we will need a data line representing the bottom of the wall. Select the line and verify the direction of the line has the top of wall to the right side of the line. Use swap ends if needed. And click the Apply Template button. Click New. Check Sketch Template and click OK. In the open area of the screen, sketch the resemblance of the required over-excavation. In this example, we will go over 5 feet from the bottom of wall, up 4 feet vertically, then offset at a 1-to-1 slope matching subgrade. Right-click to end, and the template editor window will display. First, drag the reference point to the top so it displays on the first point. For segment 1, enter 5 feet for the width and 0 for the slope. Tab to segment 2 and enter 0 for the width and 4 for the height. Select segment 1 and check right hinge. This will start looking for daylight at the bottom of the wall. And check mirror cut to fill. Select the slope for segment 3 and enter 1:1 for the slope. And the fill slope will be negative but will not be used. Select subgrade for the daylight surface. And select new surface for the output surface. Click Apply. And click Yes to save the template. Enter a name and click Save. The template will sweep along the bottom of wall. When complete, enter a name and color for the new surface, and click OK. The wall excavation surface will be generated. To calculate the volumes, go to 3D View. Change the reference to the wall excavation surface, and set the difference to stripped. Calculate the volumes. This volume includes the additional excavation for the wall. Click Done. Then return to 3D View. Change the reference to subgrade and the difference to wall excavation, and calculate the volumes. This volume represents the backfill required behind the wall.